Today we're going to be crafting with PVC aluminum ducting. Yes, this is what they use for the dryer, the vent in the dryer. And this one is a very good quality. It comes with these two clamps, but we're not going to be using those. And this one is PVC on the outside and aluminum on the inside, and it's much sturdier than the ones that I have using in my house. So this is definitely a good one to work with, and I'm going to be making a vase today. Well, two vases, because this is 8 feet long. It's very long and it extends, so I'm going to be cutting mine into thirds. But before I do that, I'm going to be using my Rust-Oleum copper spray paint. And I'm also going to use this bell ornament. For the bell ornament, I'll be spray painting it black matte with my Rust-Oleum matte black spray paint. So you want to put a pair of gloves on, hold your dryer vent just like this, very tight, and spray paint it in your hand. And this is how it should look when you're done. So now I'll go ahead and use my X-Acto knife to cut it. I'm just going to cut it in two. I'm going to cut 1/3 of it off, and I'll be making two separate vases. So I'm going to speed up the video from here. I don't want to keep you watching for too long. I hope you like the outcome of these vases. All right. Thanks. Bye.